Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I am showing you all my recent completed projects from the end of December till today, which is January 20th, Monday. So I have crochet projects, I have miniature building blocks, mini Legos, I have some coloring pages that are completed, and I have a diamond painting that is completed, and I believe that's it. Yes, so I've decided to combine all my completed projects into one video instead of doing very short videos, because they'd be so short that they would make them into shorts, and I want this to be just one regular long video. So let's start with the miniature Legos, mini building blocks, whatever you want to call them. Here is the first one I completed. This is a Beetlejuice kit. This one was fairly simple because the building blocks were a little bit larger than normal mini building blocks. It was really easy. You can watch me build this entire kit. I have it on a video posted on my channel. So next one is this sweets shop. Let me zoom you in. It's very, very tiny. I have to be very delicate with it. Yeah, that's the mini. I think it's a donut shop or a sweet shop. Next, I built a Hello Kitty. I have to be very delicate with her because her head doesn't stay put. But I've been waiting to do this video so I can take all my miniature building blocks and move them to where all my knickknacks are in the basement. Here's a Lotso. This one's very tiny. I mean, look, compared to my hand. This is a Lotso from Toy Story. These blocks were very, very, very tiny. You definitely needed tweezers to build it. Here's one that Julio completed. Here's Julio's first completion. He did a reindeer for Christmas. I'm trying to be very careful. And they just want to come off. And here's one that I did. This is a light. You could see it's lit up. Let me turn the light off so you can see it. This is an astronaut on a little gift box. It didn't come with this flat piece. You can buy these flat pieces, these bases, separately. So I bought a couple separately, and these little miniature things are so easy to build when you have a base. So I bought the base. And my last one, let me move you up. Here's the top view. I gotta be very careful with this one. This is what Julio bought me for Christmas. This is a miniature building block hair salon. So hopefully you guys can see, but yeah, there's the little hair dryer and the chair and the mirrors and stuff. It was really cute. I built this on Christmas. Okay, let me move this over to the side. So that's all for mini Legos, mini building blocks. I'm just going to start calling them mini building blocks, and hopefully you guys get what I'm coming from, because they're technically not Lego brand. These were all from Temu or AliExpress. Next, some coloring pages. I got this book for Christmas, World Within Worlds. Julio bought this for me for Christmas. This is a Kirby Rosanes book. I did a couple pages within a couple days. And here's the first page. I did use gel crayons as backgrounds in all of these pages, and I used my Prismacolor color pencils and maybe some Black Widow color pencils also in some of them. And I did use gel pens, glitter gel pens in some of them. Here's my next one. I did use gel pen to do the center and color pencil to do the tree trunk and all the tree, and gel crayons to do the background. Here's the next one. Shane Spiel gel pens to do the little apples and the woman here. Color pencils, Prismas to do the leaves and the big apples, and gel crayons to do the background. Here's the next one. This one is one of my favorites. Gel pens to do this looks like the Russian temple or church that they have in Russia. So I got my inspo from there. Color pencils on all the mushrooms. Gel crayons on the background. This one was really fun to do with all the plants. This one was all color pencils and gel crayons. And my last one was a double page spread, so I'll show you one at a time. I can't fit it all on screen, but they are like little Converse sneakers with flowers on them. I used a mixture of glitter gel pens, metallic gel pens, Prismacolor pencils, and gel crayons for the background. Here's the other side. This one took me about 2 days to do. And then the other book that I've been working on, which I never showed you guys that I ended up buying it. This is a new book to my collection. I bought this back in December, and it just took weeks to get shipped to my house. Even buying it on Amazon Prime, I still had to wait weeks for this. But this is a Smurfs book. It's the Hatchet Heroes. These are color by numbers. Here's the first one I did. I'm having a lot of fun coloring in this book. I did have to buy better acrylic paint pens that had a little bit of a finer tip of a nib, because if you look closely, and also I needed ones that were more opaque. Like the lighter colors, you can still see the lines and the symbols through if you're up really close. Here's one of the first ones I did. This one was really cute. Here's the next one. And I did all these within 2 days, 3 days, I believe. Did this one last night. And I think that's it. And I'm working on this one today, so I'll be finished with this one today. But I don't have any more in that book. That's it. So that is it for coloring pages. So last but not least, crochet projects. I have been to work on my knitting machine making knitted hats and ear warmers, so I can do a giveaway for like a winter giveaway, so I can, you know, see if anybody wins, and you have a chance to win a knitted hat and possibly an ear warmer set or just a knitted hat. So here's one of the first ones. I do put a little tag on it. It says made with love. They have the little furry pom-pom. This is a trailblazer. This is trailblazer yarn, so I'm going to call it the trailblazer hat. This would be one of the sets. This is the speckled blue pom-pom, speckled blue yarn. I made 2 of these, so I think I'm going to send one of them to my mom because I have 2 hats. And then here is one of the ear warmers, also has a tag on it. So it's like a matching set. I also I made one of these for my stepfather without a pom-pom. I forgot what this colorway is called, but this is from Joann's the Yarn. Here is one with a black pom-pom. So that one will be for the giveaway. And then here is the matching ear warmer that goes to that hat. And then I made an extra one. I had extra yarn, so I made one for my mom. Like a his and her set. This is the next set. Little pretty in pink set. Pink pom-pom. Pink label. And then I did a gray label on this one. I don't know why, but it still looks cute. Pink ear warmers. This one was really fun to make because I didn't know how the pattern of the yarn was going to come out, even though my machine hated this yarn. It was a real struggle to get through this, but little baby pink pom-pom and purple and pink striping yarn. Then I did a nice good old yellow, little pastel yellow hat, yellow tag. And then this one's really pretty. This is like a speckled pink and gray with a baby pink. Oh, looks white. I guess I did white instead of baby pink. With a pink tag. So I managed to finish all these hats within 3 days. So I'm going to take you off my little kickstand here and I'm going to show you stuff on my mannequin stand. Okay guys, so the first thing I want to show you is I made this infinity scarf. When you unfold it, it is very, very long, but the whole purpose is to fold it about 3 times around your neck and you get this chunky scarf to wear. So I got this. This is with the homespun yarn from it sold at Joann's. And then I made a cherry red cardigan. Sorry, there's another cardigan underneath. But that's, sorry you could see the other colors in back, but you get the gist. So I did do a nice trim around here and around the arms. And that is it. And let me show you the diamond painting. And last but not least, we completed this lady. This was gifted to me by Tita, Diamonds by Tita here on YouTube. Check her out. She gave this to me for Christmas. I just completed it a couple days ago. This was a really fun one to do. It was really simple, lots of color blocking. I think her highlight on her face came out cute. Her skin tone came out really nice. Her hair, the blue came out really nice. I was very pleased with this. And this was a Temu canvas, you guys. And this was a 50 by 50. I was very, very happy with this one. Okay, guys, so that is all my completions from the end of December until now, mid-January. I guess you can call it mid or beginning of January. So that's all my completed projects. That's what I've been working on. I'm still going to work on more hats. I want to have a bunch of hats to give away on my channel and ear warmers. So working on that really, really hard. I'm thinking about crocheting up some velvet scrunchies to also give away in the little contest that I'm doing. So really, really excited about that, you guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing all my completed projects for, I guess, the month, if we can call it a month. So if you are new here and you want to stay a while, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. That way you get notified anytime I upload any new videos. And if you're returning, thank you for returning and joining me today's video. Let me know down in the comments what was your favorite completed project out of everything I made. So without further ado, I hope you guys have a wonderful week coming up and a wonderful day or night wherever you are. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.